I'm so sorry. I got a phone call in the middle of it and it interrupted my video. So if you can see that, make sure you move the decimal up in your problem solving. So the other one that you have to is the topic 14 test. This really is a review. It's converting. So be careful with the not questions because you're going to have to make sure you're choosing the one that's incorrect, that's wrong. So what you really need to know for these is you are going to be converting them. So you're going to either make them, for the A, you're either going to make 10 grams milligrams, or you're going to make 100 milligrams grams. So all of these, and as I'm looking through these, don't really need a lot of setup. They're just converting and which is true and which is not true. All of these are using our math star chart. So I'm going to remind you about your math star chart. You have all of your measurements in there. If you get stuck on one, let me know. Do remember when you go from large to small, you're going to multiply. And when you go from small to big, when you go from small to a large measurement, you're going to divide. And you're really going to need that when you're doing customary. So I think number 3 has customary, but it doesn't look like conversion. It looks like perimeters. So again, all your formulas are in here for you to use. This is the same star chart you use whenever you get to do your star test. So this is all about measurement. He would serve, so changing liters to milliliters. Remember, when you're doing metric can be a lot easier because we remember our King Henry. So remember, oh, I have to erase that, sorry. Remember, King Henry died unexpectedly. Let me turn this for you. Drinking chocolate milk. Make that M better, okay? You're going to remember your King Henry. Remember, your King Henry is a place value chart. Okay? Your units are going to be either meters, liters, or grams, depending on what the problem is asking you, depending on what you're measuring. Meters is length, liters is capacity, grams is weight or mass. So, K means kilo. H, hecto. D, deca. Your U is your unit of measurement. D on the other side, and this is where your decimal point would be, and I always like to put it there to remind us. D is deci, C is centi, and M is milli. So let's say I did want to convert 100 milligrams to grams. So 100 milligrams is over here, and I want to move it to grams. So I have 100 milligrams. Got it? Oh, you can't see that. Let me move that. There you go. Here is my decimal point. Right here, right? Again, my tripod's not doing so great today. I'm starting in milligrams. I want to go to grams because that's my unit, grams. I'm going to move my decimal 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. So that would be equal to 1/10 of a gram, okay? If you're not comfortable with moving the decimals for metric, you can absolutely still use your math star chart and go back and forth with those. So if you have any trouble with those, definitely let me know. We went pretty extensive on the problem solving. The other one that's your have to is all review, and it's that conversion. So there really isn't a lot of need to set up equations because you're going to read it and decide which way you're going. Remember, large to small you're going to multiply, small to a large measurement you're going to divide. So if you are part of my class, don't forget, today we have Tuesday at 2 Zoom meeting. We're going to meet together. We're going to get to talk and visit. Do remember, if you're part of our Zoom meeting, that you are sitting and participating with us. You're not running around your house, chasing your pets. It's really a time for us to engage with each other and talk and visit, and I can touch base with you and see if there's anything else that I need to clarify, anything else I need to re-go over with you about your lessons. We're going to share a little bit about, I kind of want to do like a little good and